Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can import beats to BandLab. Okay, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now before we start, if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. So you just need to log in into your BandLab account, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can import beats to BandLab. Okay, let's get started right now. So after guys you log in into your BandLab account, you just need to click here. It says create here in the top right, as you can see. So after guys you click on create, then you will have two options: create an empty project or generate an idea with AI. So this is the like a new feature on BandLab. So to import beats from your own laptop, you just need to click here on new project. Okay, so after guys you click on your project, it's going to take you directly to this page, and this will pop up. Now you can like capture your own voice or any sound here if you want to record anything inside the BandLab. You can just do that by clicking on capture your voice, or you can use like your keyboard or connect via this device, like if you want to create an instrument. Now in this case I'm going to import an audio from my own laptop. Okay, you can also click here on BandLab sounds if you want, but let's import this from our laptop. Now I'm going to import this beat. Now if it's not imported, maybe it says it's corrupted or whatever, make sure you search on Google for convert the format of your file to mp3. Okay, so convert file to mp3 online, and there are a lot of free websites that will help you convert your file to mp3 in case it's not accepted. Okay, so if it works, that's fine. You can also add multiple beats here. Now we have added this beat. You can also click here this plus button here, that will, as you can see, and it's going to allow you to add another beat. Now you will have two beats and you can make changes to them. You can like change the voice, you can do multiple things here. Now if you have guys any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial. And yeah, see you guys.